Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. In this video, we will see how to fix the Pinterest block my website pins or Pinterest block my website issue. If you are trying to open your pin and this pop-up appears, or if you trying to create a pin, Pinterest is not allowing you to publish the pin because of this error. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. Earlier, I have solved this issue by shortening my URL, but this time this doesn't work. But don't worry, if you are facing the same issue, then I will tell you how to fix this issue. So when I got this issue, then I went to the Pinterest, search Pinterest help center, and now click on this link. After clicking this link, now go to this contact us. Now this form will appear in front of you. Now click on appeals. Now click on this Pinterest block my site. You can select this option if Pinterest is blocking your pins, or if it is blocking your whole website. After this, click on continue. Now elaborate the issue by selecting any one of these. I will click on this option, a pin from my website is blocked for spam. Now click on this continue. Now you need to fill this form. When you will fill this form, let's suppose I am filling this form. Now click on continue. Now elaborate your issue in detail. Pinterest block my all website, and now write the description and then link any of your pin, but if the site is blocked, then only provide the link of your Pinterest account. After this click on continue and then select the device you are using. I'm using computer, I'm using Chrome. Then click on continue, and then if you got an error message, then click on this, and what's the error message, write in this box and then place on continue. Let's suppose I'm writing dummy. Now attach the screenshot of your errors. After this, the submit button will come, and then submit the issue. Then you will receive the email from Pinterest. Hi there, thanks for reaching out. We have received your request and we will reach out soon as we can. Then Pinterest will resolve your issue within 1 day. So then further after this, you will receive the email. Hi there, I took a look and unblocked your website. Sorry that happened. Sometimes we get it wrong and block a site in error. After this, Pinterest will never ever block your site or your pin. So you need to fill this form, and this form will take your account interest according to Pinterest. I hope after watching this tutorial your problem is solved. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.